आज राजस्थान का इलेक्शन के बारे में प्रिपरेटरी मीटिंग हो चुका। ऑनरेबल कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट परम आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी, चीफ मिनिस्टर अशोक गहलोत साहब, पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट इंचार्ज, पूरा नेतागण ऑफ राजस्थान प्रेजेंट हो गया। इलेक्शन प्रिपरेशन के बारे में वी हैव टेक important decision today. Number one, our ministers, MLAs, leaders, workers plan to take a house-to-house-to campaign for propagating government schemes and achievements to the people of Rajasthan. Party has decided to have a completely positive campaign from tomorrow onwards. Party decided to engage all communities, all social groups, and have interaction with them about the election manifesto and everything in coming 90 days. Party government coordination will be strengthened. "29 leaders from Rajasthan have participated in this meeting, including Chief Minister, PCC President, and other senior leaders. Everybody unanimously decided that we have to win Rajasthan and we can win Rajasthan easily, provided there should be total unity. Therefore, everybody unanimously resolved that there will be a unity among the Rajasthan Congress. Earlier, there was differences, but आज का मीटिंग का स्पेशलिटी है, पूरा नेतागण एक ही साथ डिसाइड हो गया, यूनिटी के बारे में हम इलेक्शन लड़ना चाहिए। कांग्रेस यूनिटी है एंड हमारा गवर्नमेंट अच्छा काम करेगा। स्कीम्स आर वेरी गुड। दैट स्कीम्स नीचे लेवल पहुंचने के लिए ज़्यादा काम चाहिए, उसी तरफ हम प्रिपरेटरी प्लान हो चुका। Rahul Gandhi, Bharat Jodo Yatra has created a big atmosphere in Rajasthan. Everybody unanimously told that after Bharat Jodo Yatra, entire situation of Rajasthan has been changed. Now Karnataka election victory also made a major role. After that, you can see the scheme of Rajasthan, all poor-friendly schemes. We are started to doing it. It is reaching it to the common people of Rajasthan. Therefore, we are very sure that Rajasthan is going to be win by the Congress party. One more issue we have decided to elect about the candidate selection. Candidate selection will be on the winnability basis. We are conducting several surveys. On the basis of winnability only, we will select the candidate, but it will be advanced. September 1st week, ma'am, we will decide the candidate. We will announce the candidate. This is quite advanced announcement, going to be a quite advanced announcement. Therefore, today's meeting was very important and very fruitful and very successful. I know you are all interested that how Rajasthan, what is going to be happen after Chhattisgarh. This is the fifth meeting actually. In the history of Congress, we have doing this type of advanced homework for election preparation. Is in the past. We have done Madhya Pradesh meeting, we have done Chhattisgarh meeting, we have done Telangana meeting, we have done Mizoram meeting. Today, last meeting of Rajasthan, we have, all the 5 state election preparation meeting is over. Now, election campaign is going to be start without any delay. We are in full form to defeat BJP in all the states. हमारा हिस्ट्री आपको मालूम है. We never announced the chief minister candidate, but we will fight together in the election. There is a government, good government is there. Government is doing very good calm. That calm will give a result. That work will give a result. That is a general thing, not only Sachin's thing. Sachin raised some of the things, but it is a general apprehension of the people of Rajasthan. We have taken 2 decisions, major decisions yesterday. I think you are very good. UPSC nomination के लिए, RPSC nomination के लिए, Rajasthan Public Service Commission nomination, board nomination के लिए, we are going to fix a good criteria. New legislation is coming for that. Yesterday, Chief Minister tweeted, हो गया. Then question paper leakage was a big issue. Not only Rajasthan, everywhere it is happening, question paper leakage. But we have to control it. There were big punishment. Those who are guilty on this question paper leakage, there will be a big punishment. That new legislation is also going to come in the next session of the Rajasthan. Generally there is an issue. Therefore, these issues will be addressed cleverly. Sachin Pilot also, आज का meeting में था. He spoke very well in this meeting with unity. He also told the meeting that he is also very confident that we are going to win that state. We will fight unitedly. Then party decided that today onwards, everybody should follow strict discipline in the party. Whatever issues are there, they have to discuss inside the party. Outside the party, nobody has the freedom to poke inner party politics, whether it is against the government or against the party. There will be, if anybody is spoken, then there will be a strict disciplinary action. No, I don't want to divert. I don't want to divert. No. I don't want to divert any of the issue. No. I know the intention, brother. I know the intention, brother. आप हिंदी में बोलो राजस्थान के issue. Thank you very much.
आज हमारी मीटिंग कोई तकरीबन 4 घंटे चली और टोटल जो हमारे कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट राहुल जी और वेणुगोपाल जी और 29 जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, मिनिस्टर्स एंड अदर लीडर्स, सभी को एक को बुलाकर वहाँ उनके विचार लिए गए और सभी ने एक ही बात कही कि हम मिलकर बीजेपी को हराएंगे और कांग्रेस को लेकर आएंगे। और उन्होंने कहा कि कांग्रेस का एक फेस होगा और हमारे में कोई डिवीज़न नहीं है, सभी लीडर हम इकट्ठे हैं और किसी की कोई जो भी पीछे वाला है वो पास्ट जो है सब ने ख़त्म कर दिया और आगे फ्यूचर की बात सभी ने की। जो विनू जी ने पहले कह दिया कि कैंडिडेट्स जो हैं वो हमारा सर्वे चल रहा है और काफ़ी उसमें कर दिए हैं और हम जल्दी, जैसे कर्नाटका में कैंडिडेट हमने पहले अनाउंस कर दिए थे, वैसे ही हम पहले करेंगे और साथ ही जो वहाँ हमारे गवर्नमेंट के काम चल रहे हैं वो सेपरेटली चलते रहेंगे और कांग्रेस की कैंपेन जो है वो भी साथ अभी स्टार्ट हम कर रहे हैं। पार्टी में जो जितने भी हैं, पार्टी का जो वोट बैंक है उसमें स्पेशली SC, ST, OBC, माइनॉरिटी, EWS और जो लोअर क्लास जनरल है, जो लोअर इनकम की है, उनको सभी को हम उनको रिड्रेस करेंगे और पूरी जो कांग्रेस है, जो छोटा वर्कर है, बड़ा वर्कर है, वहाँ एक राहुल जी ने बात कही है कि ये कांग्रेस वर्कर की गवर्नमेंट है और जो वहाँ गवर्नमेंट ने काम किए हैं गरीबों के लिए, जो योजनाएं चलाई हैं, वो वर्करों की ही सरकार आगे होगी। ये हमने फैसला किया और सभी ने किया। जो आरपीएससी की जो था वो भी हमने पेपर लीक का वो चीफ मिनिस्टर का आ गया है कि वो क्या करेंगे और बहुत सख्त और एक बड़ा फुल प्रूफ हम एक्ट लेकर आ रहे हैं और उसको लागू करेंगे और जो भी चीज़ें हैं उनको हम जल्दी रिजॉल्व कर देंगे। बिल्कुल
राहुल जी, कारगे जी, प्रियंका जी, everybody will campaign. Everybody will campaign. We are preparing the plans. Already Madhya Pradesh started, Telangana started, Rajasthan also we are preparing.
So you are saying that there will be, you will fight the elections in under collective leadership?
Brother, I told we will fight the election unitedly. Don't put your words in my mouth.
सर शाम तक क्या कोई हम लिस्ट की उम्मीद कर सकते हैं? राजस्थान को लेकर छत्तीसगढ़ की आई थी, जिस तरह से छत्तीसगढ़ की देर शाम आई थी, क्या राजस्थान में भी
Brother, I have told, today you see that we have discussed 4 hours. All the senior leaders of Rajasthan are. Chief Minister, because of this his injury, he could not come here, but he was in the Zoom completely, 4 hours. It was one of the best fruitful meeting we had done today. The result is very clear. Everybody is confident. Everybody is confident that we are going to win Rajasthan. That type of activity is going by the government there. Then BJP is actually totally in a failure mood in Rajasthan. Therefore, we are not worried about that. Everything will be settled. All the issue is settled already, resolved. We are going ahead for winning the election. That's all. I told, madam. No. Don't exaggerate all this thing. Everywhere there will be anti-incumbency. And everywhere there will be, every party it will have. Maybe somebody have anti-incumbency in our party also. I told you in the beginning itself, our party candidate selection only on the winnability ground. We are conducting several surveys where we will go for the finalization of candidate only through winnability ground. Therefore, that will be decided. आप राजस्थान की बात करो, कर्नाटका में पहला यहाँ भी पूरा नेतागण एक ही साथ लड़ने के लिए तैयार है। आज का मीटिंग का मैसेज है पूरा नेतागण के साथ।